disco track. Let's go. Move your hip down and up. Very good. Point. And look at your finger. Repeat. Remember this movement. Point. Are you ready? Step cross. Give me 2. And stop. March in place. 4, 3, 2. Again. Step cross and stop. Yes. Now we have to add shoulders. Give me 2. Shoulders and stop and march. Again. Stop to the front. Step and march. Now come forward. Shoulders to the front with arms. Open, close, open, and elbow side to side. Shoulders. Open. Elbows. Now point diagonal. Point. Woo! And be ready to turn. Yes, diagonal. Up and down. Up and down. Very good. Turn. Again. You got it. Go. Last time for everybody. Point up and down. Shoulders. Step to the front. Cha-cha to the side. Give me 2. Stop. March in place. You got it? Let's go. Easy. Stop. Yes. Now rolling. Very easy. Stop. March. One more time. Let's go. Okay. Remember the hips and the arm from beginning. Rolling. Watch now. Faster. Wow. Let's go. Go. Rolling. Keep. Very good. Easy. From the top. Point forward. Shoulder. Step. Turn. Rolling. Hips. Yes. You got it. Let's go. One more time. Turn. Cha-cha rolling. Hip. Yes. Second part again. Go. Rolling. 3 fast lunge. 1, 2, head. Stop. Rolling. Hip. 3. 1, 2, 3, and head. One more time. Easy now. Point. Again. Yes. 3. Point. From the top. Yes. Very good. Turn. Rolling. Hip. Watch now. Point and look from the top. Woo! Step. Turn. Second part. Lunge. Head. And point. Look. Again. This is your best. The last. Go. Keep. Very good. Point. Final pose diagonal.